Hey everyone, today we're going to take a look at two more 22 millimeter Gear S3 replacement bands. And these are the Loxan 2-pack of leather bands. So far we've looked at, if you've been watching my channel, we've looked at 6 stainless steel bands, 2 nylon bands, and now we have leather bands right here from Loxan 2-pack. This is the product page right here on Amazon. So as you can see, 141 customer reviews, all 4.5 stars, $19.88 with Prime free 2-day shipping. And I think by themselves, they're like, if you pause that, you could see they're like $13 for one. So you're getting a better value for getting 2 of them for $19.88. So you can pause that page right there, read it for yourself. But now let's take a look at the actual watch bands themselves. So here is the box itself as it came out of the envelope, the shipping envelope from Amazon. And it's like a cardboard, like jewelry box looking type of cardboard wrapped in a plastic. You got the Loxan branding right here, and right on the bottom it says have more fun. Yes, we like to have fun, don't we? And then over here in the back you get the serial number and what you're getting. Gear S3 Frontier band with watch, 2-pack, brown and black leather, made in China. All right, let's open it up. So far, this is the nicest packaging I've gotten from all the watch bands so far. Most of them that I gotten either came... Actually, this one here from Valkit was pretty nice. The one from V Moro, and then the rest of the ones that I got, I already threw them away because they came in Ziploc bags. So let's open this up, and there are your leather bands right there, real nice. You got the brown leather and the black leather, and these look very dressy, if I do say so myself. So now you have, instead of wearing like a stainless steel band with your more like formal outfits, you can wear leather. And these are also quick release right here, as you can see. And right here on this black one, let's get it to focus. It says 22 genuine leather. And let me smell it. Yep. The smell test says it smells like genuine leather. All right. So here's black. Whoops. And here is our brown watch band. And nothing else. Nothing else. So that's it. That's all you get. But really, do we need anything else? You're getting 2 leather bands that normally cost $13.58 for $19.88. So I could live with that, having no extras. And unlike metal bands, these quick release pins right here will not fall off. So they didn't give you any extra, so I'm okay with that. So let's, and another good thing too with these 2-packs right here is like what I showed you guys on the previous video of these nylon straps right here, the 2-pack, is that you can mix and match them if you wanted to, if you were daring enough to do that. So let's film it and see how quickly I can get the black leather band installed. quick release. You wait to hear a snap. Okay, so that one's on. Take this one off. Wait to hear the snap. I don't know if you heard a snap, but there you go. So here's the black. And what am I uninstalling? Oh my goodness. Here's one of my favorite watch faces, the Swiss watch faces that you can get from the Samsung Gear store. And let me put the black one on and see how it fits. So the leather is pretty stiff right now, but I'm pretty sure with time it'll loosen, it'll, you know, get a little less stiff and soft, but at least you know it's genuine leather. And for my wrist, I still have 1, 2, 3, 4 this time. 4 extra holes or notches that so for you people with larger wrists. And there you go. So there's the black one, and with the black watch face, and it's pretty nice. Okay. Alrighty. Now let's switch it up to the brown leather bands. So here is the brown leather already installed, and I changed the color of this same watch face, the Swiss watch face Quantum, to a red color to kind of try to match it somewhat. And let's put it on. Okay, so here is the brown leather on my wrist, and in my lighting it kind of looks like a reddish type of brown color instead of like a copper or tan looking brown. Here it is with the watch face. As you can see, I can't turn my wrist. I don't have flexible wrists, so let me see. There you go. And like I said, you can also, and like I said, for those of you that are more flamboyant, you could probably, the good thing with the 2-pack is wear both of them, both colors at once. So here is the brown leather strap on, let's say, the top, and then the black one on the bottom. And like I said, it's a very good quality. It feels very good quality. The stitching, I mean, the stitching is looks real clean in here. There doesn't seem to be any kind of I don't know how to say that in any of the stitching where, you know, you can see the like the string or the whatever this the stitching sticking out. It looks real nice. And these are real, I don't know if it's metal or plastic. It feels like metal. There's a, yeah, so this is, the buckles are stainless steel, as you can see there, if my camera would focus. And like I said, the stitching on this is very clean. Doesn't look like it's gonna wear out anytime soon. And it is genuine leather. I did smell it, and it smells like genuine leather. And best of all, they're quick release. Okay, so that is our look at the Loxan 2-pack genuine leather 22mm watch bands for the Gear S3. And like that saying says, have more fun. And this is definitely a lot more fun when you can save more money. The 2-pack, like I said, $19.88 with Prime free 2-day shipping. These leather bands by themselves will cost you $13.58 or $13 period for just one of them. So you get a much better value for the 2-pack at $19.88. Highly recommended. And so that is all for this look at the Loxan 2-pack of leather bands, black and brown. We'll see you again for another video, and have a great day.